Okay, let's take a look at Google Sites. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new site. So to get to Google Sites, there are two ways. You can click on the tiles here and you can go right to Google Sites from the icon in your Applications menu, or you can go to sites.google.com. Either way will take you right to your Sites page. Once you are here, you will see that you are in my sites in pelhamsd.org. So obviously I'm logged in to my school account. This is a list of the sites that I have created that I own. So right there you can see all the sites you own. You also can see their permissions, which is great because sometimes you need to be able to have a visual really quickly on who can see the things that you have created. If you are not happy that your forms page is shared with everyone in the world, you'll know right away that it is shared with everyone in the world, and you can go and change that. Over here in the menu, you can see sites that you've deleted. You can also browse sites. This is great. From here, you can see a list of sites that you have access to within the pelhamsd.org domain. So you can go and search any of these tags and just get a list of the sites that match these keywords, or you can click All Sites, and this will show you all the sites that you can access. So let's go back to My Sites. We are going to create a site, and just like everything else in Google Drive, we're going to click the big red Create button to get started. Now, you have access to thousands of templates. People out there using Google Sites will create templates and share them publicly for you. But for today, we're just going to create a blank site. So we're going to use the blank template. So you have to name your site. I'm just going to call it Karen Site. I'm just going to be very basic. And once you enter the name for your site, you'll see that your URL was populated with a unique name here, and it put a dash where my space is. So this will be your site URL, and it has to be unique. If it is not unique, you'll get an error message and you'll have to enter a new site name. So we enter our site name. Now we have two other options. We can select a theme, and we can take a look at more options. You can create your site right now with a very basic theme, but let's take a look at what's available. We're going to click Select a Theme. And you'll see here that we have lots of different color combinations we can choose from. So I think I will choose Branches. That looks pretty. Okay, and then finally we have more options. So let's click on that and see what's available. So from more options, this is where you can enter site categories. So this is those keywords that you saw. And you can give your site a description, tell everyone what your site's all about, and when you're all finished, click Create. Takes just a second to generate the site. And now I am here on the home page of my site. So that's creating a site. Next, we'll take a look at the basics of the Google Sites interface.